The COVID-19 pandemic presents what is undoubtedly one of the greatest challenges ever faced by industries and organizations. People have to adopt new behavior in their daily activities to meet the constraints of the pandemic. Due to this, the governments were forced to adopt different interventions to slow the spread of coronavirus. This led to significant imbalances in countries' economies and slowdown in global economic development. With the innovation in digitization of banking and financial services, software programs like e-wallets has played an important role in implementing safety and preventive measures to minimize the spread of COVID-19 and save people's lives. The e-wallet, also known as digital wallet or m-wallet, uses electronic means such as a computer or smartphone to perform an online financial transaction. The e-wallet eliminates the need for a physical wallet and allows users to store and carry their financial cards, prepaid money cards, gift in a virtual medium. WHO recommended that consumers avoid cash and contact-based payment as a potential source of infection and suggested that digital payment systems be used instead.
A digital wallet securely stores all the payment information of a user in compact form, allow users to transfer funds to friends and their family members residing in different nations.
India represents one of the largest market opportunities for digital payments. With a population of 1.25 billion, India accounts for approximately 18% of the global population. According to a survey, approximately 88% people prefer cashless payments over cash payments, with 48% using digital payments for more than 75% of their transactions. More than 50% of India's internet users will adopt digital payments by 2022, with the top 100 million users driving 70% of the digital payments gross merchandise value. Ease of doing payments is one of the key factors of users to move towards digital payments.
The digital payment landscape has seen some dramatic shift in recent years. India's Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, announced demonetization in 2016, which was a game changer for the payment industry in India. Since it took off, digital wallet companies have had a lot of opportunity to penetrate into market and make India grow at digital life. The companies added over 5 million new users since demonetization. The number of digital wallet users globally increased from 2.3 billion in 2019 to 4 billion in 2024, and global non-cash transactions will grow to nearly 1.1 trillion in 2023 from 708.5 billion in 2019, according to the World Payment Report 2020.
Global cashless payment volume set to increase by more than 80% from 2020 to 2025, from about 1 trillion transactions to almost 1.9 trillion, and to almost triple by 2030 according to an analysis. With rising strategic significance, some governments are developing payment infrastructure as part of industrial policy to control many flows and own digital and data platforms. These changes have resulted in expansion of domestic payment methods on the back of different infrastructure.
Based on the findings of survey, it can be seen female users are more concerned about e-wallet security than male users. People from the middle income group are more concerned about the security of digital payment than the people from lower income group. Users of digital wallet are satisfied with the services provided to them. Dependency on interconnection to make payment is one of the major reasons for its less adoption of digital wallets. Discount offers and rewards points on making payment through digital wallet can increase its popularity and adoption as well.
By 2030, these services will become better on various grounds like security, connectivity and accessibility. The improved mobile payment and e-wallet services will result in further unlocking of the digital payment potentials of the developing countries. A century ago, it would have been nearly impossible to convince someone their entire liquid value would one day be available for viewing and transactions would completely via a small plastic card.